So I've just picked up my new Beta 2022 RR 250 RR. I got a couple of goodies here. So this is what comes in the toolkit. You got an adjustable flip around screwdriver, flat and Phillips tip, combination spanner, sort of like a T-handle, that's a L, and pliers, spanner, couple sockets, and a couple Allen keys. This is what comes in the box in Australia anyway. So you got your indicators, so like a plate guard, your mirrors. We've already put the front indicators on, so they came in a box. Yeah, this is like a bit of a walk around. Something that I found interesting, it comes with V-Force Reblock, which I didn't know. I really like this black coating on the red. Maxxis tyres. And something really handy with the suspension is that it's just these little knobs here and here, and then with the rear suspension it's just twists that and that. I think this is a 140 because this is a pretty wide tyre. Yeah, it's a 140, which is interesting. Yeah, so that's a bit of a quick walk around of the 2022 Beta 250 RR.